Hey, you're watching English news on VARTA, Northeast India. This is me, Digit Ronghang. We keep informing you about the problems of Karbi Anglong Nilip constituency. Today, we would like to show you the view of the Office of Assistant Executive Engineer PWD Road, subdivision of Chokihola. Who would say this is a government office? The whole campus is surrounded by jungle. The office building is broken. The local people say that they feel very sad and ashamed to see such a sight. Spread over 25 bighas, the PWD campus is surrounded by useless jungle. No boundary wall, no gate, no office building, no chair, table and good electricity facilities at the office, no toilet, no VIP staff quarter and many more. They say that since it was built in the beginning, no attention was given even during the Congress government. Since then, till now, no repairing work has been done. Local people say that they are expecting CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang only that he can do something on this subject. According to the registrar, 4 to 5 staff who are working chariots also do not go for regular work. So this also has a very bad impact on the atmosphere of the office. Moses Teron report from Nilip and VARTA, Northeast India. On the other hand, on August 10th, under the Korkanthi constituency, local youth including Samilangso Town Committee and some media persons were seen taking very important steps. But we think we all have to take such steps for social reform. Only then there will be some real change. Sale of intoxicants like liquor, gutkha, smoking items has been banned in all the shops under the Samilangso Town Committee market. While checking the goods that have crossed the expiry date, the Samilangso Town Committee has banned the sale. When they said that the future of the youth is in danger due to the consumption of these drugs on the newly born youth. If they are not banned, then the society will not be able to move forward. The person who participated in today's campaigns are Samilangso Town Committee, Chairperson Robinson Rongpi, Vice Chairman Gulab Pramsa, Ward Commissioner Mira Terangpi, Bimal Taro, the social worker Longram Rongpi. All of them together made this work successful. Long morning to report from Samilangso and VARTA, Northeast India.
Samilangso Town Committee and part of local victim bench in meeting right. Jadi Samilangso hawalong la kangri kangkang hormu ipaja olong jadi itu akulat tulong tapi jam especially militum la bangke hol la pen gutkha hormu gutkha doan bange tuteli jolong delo sindum pulo tapi parta asosa do thula litum la hormu hotar ke jos kami cold drink mandang lok langapong kami expire mangte apor partang lahai hormujor deseni isre the kumongojor tomhanai tumpu amlo apel bapi ne son surya fruits tami kichuki hormujor gider nei ni tumpu make akulat pinong ta kan pari kami tapi ni tumanga akulat masni tumi habis cegi kusini tumi sing waido lapen kumama akulat bang mala ho dari kangkrang hormugilong uthagelong bikin akulat masni tumi habis cegi la morona tang tumi sai mana ni tu mela ke lana ciklu ku bapela ni tu tu tele jorong de lo tadi kangkrang bos tu baik gutha mukha bang tik bang pajol de masni tu makap